By your next item, Tilana, we conclude today's program. I thank God for being able to present this program successfully. I am truly grateful to my students and their supportive parents. For this wonderful opportunity, I extend my heartfelt thanks to Ayyappa Temple officials. Special thanks to Mr. Srini and team for the beautiful makeup. Thanks to Deepa Enjoy Festa for the beautiful costume and ornaments. Appreciation also goes for light and sound, Mr. Raghu and team, as well as Mr. Suresh Babu for photography and videography. I'm very grateful to my family, friends, and every single one of you present here today. Thank you. Our next item is Tilana, performed by Nandana Shaji and Tanushri M.
Nadridhim tananatum tadaradani nadridhritum nadridhritum titillana nadridhim tananarum 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 tadaradani nadridhritum nadridhritum titillana nadridhim tananatum tadaradani nadridhritum nadridhritum titillana nadridhim tananarum tadaradani nadridhritum nadridhritum titillana nadridhim tananarum nadridhim tananarum tatartani dhirna tanavudartani dhirna tatartani dhirna tanavudartani dhirna tatartani dhirna tanavudartani dhirna tatartani dhirna tanavudartani dhirna tagidajam madani tagidajam tapasat kidajam madani rakidajam tavasara kidajam madani rakidajam tapasat kidatu sanirava magri sanadridhim tananarum tadaradani nadridhritum nadridhritum titillana nadridhim tananarum vadanamate virisane adharamate murisane vadanamate virisane adharamate murisane madhuraganam bhaje na murali manoharunane madhuraganam bhaje na murali manoharunane madana kadana kutugaludu ramban madana kadana kutugaludu ramban madan kadana kutugaludu ramban veerana 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 raja vadanamate virisane adharamate murisane madhuraganam bhaje na murali manoharunane madana kadana kutugaludu ramban ತರಿಗಿಡ ಜಂ ತಜನುತಾಂ ತತ್ತರಿಗಿಡ ತಗ ತಗ ತಿತ್ತಲಾಂಗು ತಗ ತರಿಗಿಡ ತಗ ತಗ ತಿತ್ತಲಾಂಗುದು ಧೃ ಧೃ
Thank you.